Milwaukee 10, Baltimore 2 in the bottom of the ninth. High to left field. Ogilvy waiting. It's over. The Milwaukee Brewers have defeated the Baltimore Orioles 10-2, and they have won the American League Eastern Division Championship for 1982. A powerhouse ball club that rattled home runs all over the league, intimidated people. But in the end, they had to go to the final gasp on the last day and fight it out, gut it out with Baltimore in Baltimore.
And as you can see, they're all over Robin Yount as they were seconds ago, all over Don Sutton, and put Cecil Cooper in there too. What a team effort. There goes Cecil. And so they should be congratulated.